Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, where ChatGPT has undergone a remarkable transformation. OpenAI just dropped a game changer. ChatGPT, our friendly AI buddy, got a major upgrade. Now, it can chat with us in a way that feels superhuman. So, how's this magic happening? It's because of a super cool text-to-speech model. It's like ChatGPT learned how to talk with style. We're talking about natural, flowing conversations that make you forget you're chatting with an AI. This new feature is making technology feel more personal and friendly, like you're talking to a buddy. So buckle up, because the future of AI conversations just got way more interesting. OpenAI went all out on this one. They didn't settle for just one voice. They gave ChatGPT 5 cool choices: Juniper, Sky, Cove, Ember, and Breeze. But here's the mind-blowing part. These voices aren't your typical computer voices. Nope, they have got real voice actors to work their magic. The result? ChatGPT now sounds amazingly human. Seriously, it's like talking to a real person. These voices add a whole new level of realism and personality to our AI buddy. So, get ready to pick your favorite voice and have some awesome conversations with ChatGPT. The real deal here is how ChatGPT makes chatting feel totally natural. When you use its new voice feature, it's like having a chat with a buddy, not a robot. You know how sometimes other AI responses can be clunky and robotic? Well, ChatGPT's got this superpower of sounding smooth and super responsive. It's a game changer. Talking to ChatGPT feels like having a real conversation with a human friend. No more of those awkward, robotic moments. It's all about that smooth, natural vibe that makes you forget that you're talking to an AI. Hold on to your hats, because there's an exciting twist. OpenAI isn't just making conversations better, they're opening up a whole new world of creativity. Picture this. ChatGPT becomes your storyteller, breathing life into new characters and composing music at your command. It's like having your own creative sidekick. But there's a catch. With great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI knows that there are risks, like people using this tech for shady stuff. So, they're keeping an eye on it to make sure it's used the right way. So, while we explore the creative process and the possibilities, let's also keep our superhero capes on and use this amazing power wisely. Let's talk about being responsible. OpenAI knows that there are some sneaky folks out there who might use this cool tech for not so great things, like pretending to be famous people or doing scams. Yikes! So they're playing it smart. They're keeping this fancy voice tech mainly for friendly voice chats, and they're teaming up with pros who know how to handle it right. It's like having a superhero team to protect us from the bad guys. OpenAI's got our backs, making sure we enjoy the benefits of this tech while keeping the troublemakers at bay. Safety first, folks. Here's the juicy part. OpenAI is stepping into the ring with the big dogs like Apple and Amazon. You know those voice assistants, Siri and Alexa? Well, they've got some real competition now, because ChatGPT is here to stir things up. It's like a tech showdown, and ChatGPT is bringing its A game. This means more options for us users, and maybe some exciting new features on the horizon. So, if you thought voice assistants were getting a bit stale, get ready for some fresh competition and exciting innovations. It's a tech battle royale, and we're here for it. Get ready for the race of the century. Companies are in a frenzy to make chatbots feel just like talking to a real person. It's all about making our life smoother and more fun. Imagine this, having your very own AI buddy who's super smart and always there to help you out. Think of it as your own personal sidekick in the digital world. These AI companions are here to make our lives easier and way more interactive. Whether it's answering questions, setting reminders, or just having a friendly chat, they're ready to roll. So gear up for the future where your AI buddy is by your side, making every day a little bit cooler and more convenient. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend. Hold on to your hat, because ChatGPT just leveled up big time. Besides its cool new voice, it's gaining something incredible: the power to see. Yep, you heard right. Now you can show ChatGPT pictures, and it understands what's going on. Imagine this: you're traveling and you snap a pic of a famous landmark. Instead of just staring at it, you can have a live chat with ChatGPT about all the fascinating stuff around it. It's like having a tour guide in your pocket. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. You can use it for learning, exploring, or just having fun conversations. ChatGPT isn't just talking anymore, it's seeing and understanding the world with you. Get ready for some mind-blowing adventures with your new AI travel buddy. If you found this information as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to NXT Gen for more cutting-edge tech insights. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How do you envision ChatGPT's new voice feature changing the way we use AI in our lives?